never had a white
I
Christmas.
know, it's ridiculous.
However, it was kind of weird. It was snowing over kind of by Johnson City. It was 34 and raining.
I heard that Crossville got like, not Crossville, I can't remember the name.
Let him start with maybe that one.
Okay, I'm zoom down big. Open it.
Look at what Santa Claus got you. Or, not Santa, Grammy.
And Dale. Want me to help? Open it.
Riley, come on.
Open it.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, there we go, that's what Daddy used to do it when he was
Open it. Open it. Open it.
little.
Hold the paper. There you go, Dylan. Hold the paper.
Open it.
Oh, your necklace looks pretty.
Oh, thanks. I don't hardly ever get to wear it.
You want to see Fisher
I
Price?
wear jewelry to work, so. Ooh, what is it? Oh, wow. Basketball ball.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Yay!
Show you the garbage bag, Robbie. What is it? Oh, play some hoops.
Ooh. Fun. Yay! All right.
Say thank you, Danny
Now the
and
big
Dale.
boys are gonna have to.
Say thank you,
Put it
Danny and
together.
Dale.
Huh.
Say thank you.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You don't love that thing. Dylan wants to crawl on it already.
Like that?
They didn't get one right.
No, actually,
That thing's
I saw
sweet.
one and I started to get it. but
Oh, they
I
can
thought I
put
didn't.
blocks through. That's neat.
Yay!
Derek loves it.
Yay, Derek! See, well, have Daddy open the box. Yeah.
You want me to?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. You slobbered enough on that thing.
Open it, Daddy. Open
Here,
it.
grab him.
Of course, I set it down.
Open it.
Dylan is reading fast.
He's gonna open it.
You want to open this one? Then you can have one for each. Yeah. Here, Dylan.
All right.
Derek says, oh, look.
You wanna open this? Open it.
Where are you going, Derek?
Open it. Rip it open.
I like this camera.
Rip it open. That's the fun part.
Derek,
Climb on here.
grab him.
Oh. Derek, come here. See what your brother got? Oh, right. Now we can play baseball. Look, Derek. Derek, look. Dylan.
Here we go. Baseball and basketball.